Hello and welcome to CAD Tricks channel. It's about making Solidworks tutorials for beginners. Today we will make this example by extrude and extrude cut features. Let's start. First I will choose the plan that I will make a sketch on it. I will choose front plan. Then I will make a rectangle. I will add some dimensions. Comes as a square now, but I have to reverse it. Now I will make two inner lines, two inner horizontal lines. Then I will go to features and select extrude feature. I will choose all area and to make both extrude. And okay. Then I will make extrude on the same sketch that I drew it before. I will choose the two outer areas to make the two waves of the shape and add the value here. Then okay. Then I will draw a sketch on this plan. I will make a rectangle. I will add some dimensions for it. In this plan, I will make extrude cut. I just check the dimensions. I will make the center of rectangle and the origin on the same vertical line. Okay, then I will choose right click and choose extrude cut. I will make it through all to cut the two faces. Then I will choose the upper surface to draw a sketch on it. I will draw a circle from the middle. We'll add dimension for outer circle. And the inner circle too. Then I will draw a third circle, but it will be 80 millimeter. It will be center line for construction. Then I will draw small circle holes. Let's check its dimensions and numbers. It will be 12 millimeter, and I will choose circular pattern. And the increase number to 7. Now I need to make an extrude another direction. To the surface. Then okay. But I think I made a mistake here in 4 holes. Actually, it's not a mistake. I will make extrude cut and I will work on the last sketch. I will choose 4 holes. I choose up to surface and select the surface. Then okay. And here we go. We got this shape very easily. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.